Thank you.
Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor 504. For anybody that got it.
What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? I don't know if you guys can see me because my glasses are so fogged up with the humidity right now, but we are here. We landed in Atlanta. I got Mike right here with me. It is early. We got here yesterday. We didn't film much yesterday, but we wanted to get some good breakfast in today, so we're gonna make our first stop right now. Which way do we go? We're gonna make our first stop right now into Buttermilk Kitchen. We're gonna see if we get a spot. I know it says reservations, but we'll see what happens. One thing I gotta say is coming from California, the greenery here, I mean, look at just behind me. It is freaking ridiculous. We're not used to see this. We're driving up and commenting on people's grass. At least I was, because I can't grow grass at my house. Alright guys, so we are stuffed. Mike fell asleep in the truck right now. We ate so good right now. But right now we're actually trying to find the show. I know that sounds stupid, but we are lost. Walked into the building thinking that was a show, but I guess it's a mall.
It's like a mall.
I don't know. So we're lost. I can tell you right now, the parking in this area and the way this is all laid out and set up sucks. But I'm gonna stay positive. We'll see. We gotta try to find where we're going. All right, so we just found someone that worked here. So they said we have to go inside the mall and then go up the escalators to the left. Sounds really weird for a car show inside the mall with shops and restaurants. Let's see.
Plates on there. But look what I spotted when we were coming in here. And got that Hoppos air freshener going.
guys know, we're out here, so we had to do our tourist stuff. Coca-Cola. Tourist trap? Yeah. Did we fall for it? No, because I kind of knew, but it was still kind of cool to check it out and seeing how marketing and branding and everything works. So it's pretty cool to see that. Now we'll be heading out, probably grab some food right now, and then kind of see how the day goes. But we're all set up for the show tomorrow, so now we just gotta worry about getting there tomorrow morning on time and getting everything situated.
Bartender hasn't brought my drink yet, but he brought Mike's.
Alright guys, the Atlanta show is officially over. We are getting poured on right now. Show's done. We had a great time. Let me tell you guys, Atlanta people, you guys are the best. But we are tired. We didn't film much today just because of, honestly, we were so busy. And with only me and Mike, we weren't able to film as much and still help everybody out. So obviously, we want to help you guys out first. But now, let's go get some bread. Mike's out of breath, he's tired. Oh, yeah, my back's hurting, my neck's hurting. It's a rough one. I'm glad you just said the other part because it's gonna be awkward. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a nice long trip. We just dropped off the rental right now. Saying goodbye to Atlanta. Because in a few days, we gotta be over in Colorado.